we're going to be looking out that window, right? We don't have to worry about other traffic out here. So whenever we're driving, we should be looking where we want the car to go, right? If we're looking in the ditch, our car's going to go in the ditch. Because we're driving, we're always looking out that window. We're just going to go around in a circle, always looking at the next big cone on the inside. Those outside cones, it's Tammy, right?
Yeah, Tammy.
Tammy, those outside cones, we could care less about them. That's just to give you some idea how wide the road would be. So we don't care if you mow them over, who cares? But what we want to do is see how you react when we're right on the verge of a skid. And then I'll put you into a skid. And we're only going very, very slow. Actually, we can do a skid at 5 miles an hour if you want to, okay? But I want to see how you react when we're in that skid. If you floor the car, if you step on the brake, you don't want to do any one of those. You should be in steering mode, right? You should be in steering mode. There's 3 inputs we can do to a car. We can steer it, accelerate, and brake. Anytime we do more than one of those at a time, we take away from that initial one. So if we're steering, we shouldn't be braking, right? Or accelerating. We should be steering. Okay? That makes sense? So what we're going to do is just nice and easily just keep going around the circle. Nice and smooth.
So around that cone.
Right around these cones. All the inside cones. Just going along, okay? Nice and easy. Only turning as much. Always looking towards that next cone, okay? Just continuing. Nice job. Just continuing, right? Always looking at that next cone. Nice and easy. Accelerating a little more. We're only 5 miles an hour, so you're perfect. Little quicker. Little quicker. Little quicker. Little quicker. Okay, stay right around here for a round or two, okay? Perfect. We're at 8 miles an hour. Around 10, 11, 12 actually, this car's going to start skidding. Okay, I'm telling you ahead of time, it's going to start skidding. We're at 7, 8 miles an hour right now. So nice and easy. Little smoother acceleration. Little smoother. Little smoother. Little more, little faster. Little faster. As soon as it starts going, Tammy, your job is off the brake, off the gas. You're in steering mode and you're going to steer the car where you want it to go. You're at 10 right now. Let's go around at 10. You can feel that back end is almost where it wants to be, right? Almost at the end. Almost there. Almost there. We're going to start sliding a little bit faster. Perfect job. Nice job holding it right where we need to be. You're going to feel it starting to go in a little bit and get ready. It's going to go and we're going to counter steer. Counter. Perfect. At that. Now, Tim, hold stop. You did everything perfect there. Nothing to it. You did a perfect job. The only thing we did was when we had it under control, we forgot to look back where we want that car to go, right? So I recorded that, and you can watch that later. I'll give you a copy of it. You can watch how you responded when you started losing control, and you'll see exactly what you did wrong or right. And you did everything right. You brought it out of the skid, which is a tough thing to do. You watch those kids go for several times before they did it. You did it the first time. The only thing we didn't do, Tammy, was finish it, right? We want to end up back in that lane where we're going around those cones, okay? So let's go back there again. Perfect job. You're doing great. Nice job. So you have limited use of your left hand? Okay. So just continue. Nice job. So remember, once you counter steer, Tammy, you got to come back the other way at some point, okay? Does that make sense? You know how we counter steer to get it back in the straight line? We have to come back at some point. Almost there. You feel that little kick? It's almost there. Almost there. It's going to go. Correct. You got it. Keep going. Perfect. Nice job. Hold on. You're good. Tammy, you're doing perfect. Is this causing you a lot of stress?
Let's start crying.
You actually handled that perfectly. You all right? You want to stop? Tammy? It's up to you.